Hi everyone! I'm Ella. In this video, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung mga natutunan ko from this book, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. So sa book na to, ibinahagi niya yung 7 baby steps para maging financially fit tayo. Para makamit natin yung inaasam-asam nating financial freedom or kung ano man yung why mo kung bakit gusto mong yumaman. So if you are sick and tired na wala kang savings, wala kang investments, tapos may mga utang ka pa, this video is for you. Kung may savings ka naman o kaya investments and wala kang mga utang, para rin sa'yo itong video na to. Kasi kapag mas marami kang alam about managing your finances and growing your money, syempre mas mapapabilis na makuha mo yung mga pangarap mo. And kung may mga dumating mga pagsubok sa'yo, may idea ka na agad kung ano-ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin para masolusyonan ang mga to. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Dave Ramsey, kapag sinunod mo yung guidelines ng proven system na to at natuto kang mag-sacrifice at mas naging disiplinado ka, darating ang panahon na ikaw ay magiging debt-free. Mas magiging madali na rin ang mag-save, mag-invest at tumulong sa mga nangangailangan. Remember, personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. And since you clicked this video, consider this as your guide to building wealth. Okay, so let's start with baby step number 1. So our first baby step is to build an emergency fund. According to Dave, we should save $1,000 or around 48,000 pesos as a starter emergency fund. So kung titignan, malaki-laki ang amount na yan. Pero I believe na it's doable na makapag-save ng ganyang amount. Pwede kang magbenta ng mga lumang gamit, iwasan mo ang bumili ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan at marami pang ibang paraan ang pwede mong gawin. And kung gusto mong malaman kung ano-ano yung mga yon, I recommend na panoorin mo yung video ko about saving. Just check the link in the description below or click the link up here. So, napaka-importante na meron tayo emergency fund dahil yan yung magsasave sa atin in times of trouble. Tandaan mo, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Gaya ngayon, nakaka-experience tayo ng mataas na unemployment rate because of this pandemic. So, kung mawalan ka man ng trabaho, meron kang backup. Meron kang magagamit while you are looking for new opportunities to make money. Dapat alam mo rin ang kaibahan ng emergency sa hindi. Kung may nakita kang bagong sapatos o bagong labas na cellphone, hindi yan emergency. Ang halimbawa nito ay yung unexpected job loss, unexpected car expenses, unexpected home repairs, and unexpected medical expenses. And yes, mahirap tong gawin, pero sabi nga ni Stephen Covey, if we keep doing what we're doing, we're going to keep getting what we're getting. So kung hindi mo babaguhin yung lifestyle mo na gastos dito, gastos doon, kung hindi ka matututo mag-sacrifice ngayon, you won't enjoy life later. You reap what you sow, ika nga sa Bible. So, kailangan talaga ng discipline. Make it a priority by paying yourself first. Make sure din na you'll put your emergency fund in a place na hindi mo basta-basta magagalaw pero liquid pa rin. So, it should be available in the form of cash. Don't invest it in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Isang magandang example ay yung story ng isang student ni Dave Ramsey. So, ang ginawa niya, bumili siya ng photo frame and nilagay niya doon yung pera. Tapos, may nakasulat na, in case of emergency, break glass. Tinago niya yon sa closet, sa wall behind the quotes, thinking na hindi mapagkakamalan ng ibang tao o ng magnanakaw na may pera doon. So, that's our baby step number 1. Focus on building your emergency fund as quickly as possible para makamove forward ka agad sa baby step number 2, which is pay off all debt except mortgage using the debt snowball. So in this baby step, ang sabi niya, your income is your most powerful wealth building tool and your debt is your biggest enemy. Kaya naman dapat ay matutunan mo i-control yung income mo kung gusto mong maging financially fit. And to pay your debts, you can use Dave Ramsey's most popular baby step, which is the debt snowball. In this baby step, kailangan bayaran yung mga utang except yung mortgage from smallest to largest, regardless sa kung magkano yung interest rate. Ang advantage niyan ay kapag nakikita mong may progress ka sa pagbabayad ng mga utang, mas gaganahan kang magpursiging mabayaran ang mga to kasi nakaka-build ka ng momentum. Nagiging habit mo na yung pagbabayad ng utang and nababago yung behavior mo towards money. Take note din na hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung iyong starter emergency fund sa pagbabayad ng utang. Tsaka iwasan mo na rin ang mangutang and instead of using a credit card, mas mabuting gumamit ka na lang ng debit card. Or better yet, just use cash. Iba kasi sa pakiramdam kapag cash ang gamit mo, parang ang hirap gastusin. I'll make a separate video din about credit cards and debit cards. Okay? So, ayan, kung may mga kilala kayo na hirap magbayad ng utang or Worst, wala nang balak magbayad ng utang, ipapanood nyo ang video na to sa kanila at baka sakaling tablan sila at matuto silang magbayad ng utang. Ngayon, what if habang nakakabuild ka na ng momentum sa pagbabayad ng mga utang, biglang nagkaroon na naman ng emergency and dahil doon nabawasan or naubos yung emergency fund mo. Ang kailangan mong gawin, you should stop paying your debts and replenish your emergency fund as fast as you can. Importante to para kapag may emergency ulit, may magagamit ka. Kasi kung wala kang emergency fund, ang posibleng maging solusyon mo ay ang mangutang. So madadagdagan lalo yung mga utang mo at mas mahirapan ka na makapag-ipon kapag hindi mo sinunod yung mga baby step na to. Ito actually yung pinakamahirap sa lahat ng baby steps pero it's worth it kapag ginawa mo lahat ng makakaya mo para mabayaran ang mga utang mo. Mas madali ka ring yayaman kapag wala kang mga binabayarang utang. And now, let's go to our baby step number 3, which is build a fully funded emergency fund. In this baby step, kailangan mo mag-save ng 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in your emergency fund. So, for example, kung ang kadalasang gastusin mo kada buwan ay nasa 20,000 pesos, kailangan mong maglagay ng 60,000 pesos to 120,000 pesos sa iyong emergency fund. Mahalaga to lalo na kapag walang income na pumapasok, meron kang huhuguting panggastos. It should also be liquid and easily accessible kapag may emergency. Pwede mo itong ilagay sa iyong savings account or sa iyong money market account. Next is our baby step number 4. Invest 15% of your income for retirement. Once fully funded na ang iyong emergency fund at bayad na lahat ng mga utang mo, it's now time to invest. Invest your money into a pre-tax retirement fund instead of giving yourself a raise. So kapag nag-i-invest ka, nagkakaroon ka ng security at choices to do the things you are truly passionate about. Importante ito kung gusto mong tumanda ng may financial dignity. Ngayon, bakit 15% ang kailangan mong i-invest and not more than that? It's because kailangan mo ng fund for the next 2 steps. Kailangan mo ring mag-save for your children's education and to pay off your mortgage. And since hindi available sa atin ang 401k at Roth IRA, you can invest sa mutual funds or mag-open ka ng personal equity and retirement account or PERA in short. Ilan sa mga administrator na approved ng BSP ay ang mga company gaya ng SEEDBOX PH, ATRAM, BDO at BPI. You can check their websites for more details and just click the links in the description below. Gagawan ko rin ng video ito, kaya kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please hit the subscribe button para lagi kang updated. Paalala lang na hindi ito get-rich-quick scheme, but if you want to retire with security and dignity, these are excellent long-term investments. Keep in mind then that investing is a marathon and not a sprint. Now, let's proceed to our baby step number 5, college funding for your children. So, kung may mga anak ka, napaka-importante nito para mabigyan mo sila ng magandang edukasyon. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, ang tuition fee ngayon at mga bilihin, mabilis tumaas ang presyo, pero ang purchasing power ng pera natin ay pababa ng pababa. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng paraan para masabayan yung pagtaas ng tuition fee at mga bilihin in a way na tumataas din yung halaga ng investments natin. And that's possible through investing sa mutual funds and educational plans. In his book, Ramsey recommends ESA plans which are funded in a growth stock mutual fund and 529 plans, specifically yung flexible plan which allows you to grow your contributions on a tax-deferred basis. The thing is, hindi available dito sa atin itong mga educational plan na to. And though maraming educational plans na ino-offer dito sa atin, I'm not sure kung alin sa mga yon ang may recommend ko dahil most of them ay may kasamang life insurance at hindi ako sure kung yung life insurance ba na kasama sa educational plans nila ay whole life insurance or term life insurance. Ang sabi kasi ni Dave Ramsey sa book na to, cash value life insurance, like whole life, is one of the worst financial products available. Do not invest in life insurance because the returns are horrible. And dun din sa isa pa niyang book, Dave Ramsey's Complete Guide to Money, ang sabi niya, never use insurance as a savings plan. Insurance is a bad way to save for retirement and it's even worse way to save for college. You should keep your insurance and your investments separate. So instead of getting a whole life insurance, he recommends getting a term life insurance. And we will explore yung iba't ibang insurance products na nire-recommend niya sa mga susunod kong video. Sabi rin niya, we should never use student loans, savings bonds, and prepaid tuition. Kung kagaya naman kita na single pa rin hanggang ngayon, medyo chill muna tayo at mag-focus muna sa ibang investments. Okay, so next is baby step number 6, which is pay off your mortgage early. So in this baby step, kung meron kang binabayarang mortgage, ang dapat na maging goal mo ay mabayaran agad ito as soon as you can. you can do that by paying a lump sum instead of just doing your monthly payment. Kasi kapag pinatagal mo pa, kapag pinaabot mo pa ng 10 or 15 or 30 years, mas malaki ang interest na babayaran mo. Mas magkakaroon ka rin ng peace of mind kapag totally wala ka ng binabayarang mga utang. Kapag nagawa mo to, you are on your way to building wealth. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa baby step number 7, which is build wealth and give. So congratulations once na ma-reach mo ang baby step number 7. Sabi nga ni Dave Ramsey, if you will live like no one else, later you can live like no one else. And dahil dyan, it will now be easier to have fun, to invest, and to give. Dapat gawin mo rin ang mga to habang ginagawa mo yung mga naunang baby steps. Pero syempre, mas madali na lang once you reach baby step number 7. Tsaka anong silbi ng limpak-limpak na pera kung hindi mo naman gagamitin para makapag-enjoy, makapag-invest palalo, at makatulong sa mga nangangailangan. Kapag mas marami ka na ring pera, mas madali na ring makabuo ng sarili mong wealth team na makakatulong sa'yo sa mga bagay na hindi mo alam or konti lang ang knowledge mo. Yan ang isa pa sa advantage kapag na-reach mo ang level na to. So guys, I hope makatulong din sa inyo ang mga baby step na to para makuha nyo ang inyong mga pangarap. If you guys are interested to know every detail of these baby steps, I recommend na bumili kayo ng book and ulit-ulitin yung basahin. Marami kayong mababasang success stories sa book na sobrang inspiring. Remember then na having material wealth is not the answer to happiness, but it could motivate you to live a better and comfortable life. So that's it guys! Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon para like kang updated sa channel ko. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.